Welcome to your daily Google News. I'm joined by one of my favorite entrepreneurs of all time, Shaun Clark. Shaun, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me. It's great to be back.
If you don't know Shaun built the most disruptive SaaS product in the history of all things marketing. You've unseated some category kings. Like, you've made some people very, very nervous with HighLevel.
I hope so.
Yeah, I do too. I think what you did was amazing. And the soundbite that I'll give everybody, just so everybody knows, we're the 4th highest ranked HighLevel affiliate. Is that still true? Am I still?
I think so. I can go look, but you're still up there. Absolutely.
Still up there. So I have a dog in this fight, is what I'm saying. But it's because I believe in the software. What Shaun did was he took a SaaS product, marketing automation product, and he gave the monetization model to the agency. And so instead of going out there and pimping out whatever it is, I'm not lobbing grenades, but HubSpot, Infusionsoft, Ontraport, and getting a percentage of every sale, you pay one micro flat fee, $500 a month, and then you get to sell this product as though it's your own for. Can I say whatever you want, Shaun? Do y'all have minimum?
Yeah, I think what we counsel people, don't go below $97 a month.
Yeah.
But technically you can get around that. We just do it because we want people to make money and be happy with the end result. Yeah. So yes, indeed, almost anything you want.
Okay, so I have 2 questions for you, and the first one is going to be hopefully the launching pad for this discussion. The questions in advance are: 1, how do you choose a niche as an agency? Because you can't just go out there and say, "Hey, I'm selling HighLevel." Everybody knows it now. It's ubiquitous, more or less. How do you choose a niche, and how do we avoid market saturation with a product like yours, where everybody has access to it?
Perfect. Okay, great question. So first, I sort of alluded to this earlier, but I'm the worst person ever to talk about the niche thing, because I think that classically the message is like, go pick dentists or lawyers or whatever. And having now had a lot of exposure to the agency area, I would say that the best niche is the local niche. And what I mean by that is literally walk out your front door, go knock on every door, sell the 20 different types of businesses. And I know this is like, it's such the antithesis of the norm. But the reason is, when I talk to people who are in a niche in the traditional sense, they tend to be in a churn and burn model. And I find that the reason why is because every business in almost all of these niches are local by definition. So if you put yourself in the shoes of the dentist, they are local, they serve local, they buy local, their customers are local. So everything about them is local. And that's how they're used to thinking. And then you swoop in as the national remote player that they're never going to meet, and it just runs afoul. In fact, even things like a dentist, for example, are a great example. They order dental products, and you think, well, I bet you they go on Amazon and they buy these things. No, they get it from somebody like a Patterson Dental. There's a guy or a gal who drives a van to their location every week and says, "Hey, Dr. Bob, I got your, weekly refill of blah, blah, blah." And the reason why, and these models stick around, is because there's this inherent trust concept. And so for agencies that are local in their niche today, their churn rates are automatically always almost zero. Like, I'll have these discussions like, "Well, what's your churn rate?" And like, "What do you mean?" I'm like, "Do you ever lose a customer?" "Yeah, I think a guy went out of business like 5 years back and we lost him." But it's totally different for the niche players. But they're like, "Oh, I'm in dentists." It's churn and burn.
You're the best person to answer this question, not the worst, because you have access to the data.
I do. Oh, yeah. No. I think I have the right answer. I just think I run afoul of the norm. Because if you're a coach or something, I think I'd rather tell the truth. But I just think at the end of the day, it's a less sexy answer, because it doesn't. I think the whole pick a niche, pick one service, get really good at it. I think that's just. I think it sounds great, it feels great, but it's sort of utter nonsense. And I think that if you look at other companies, so for us, so going to your other question, like, how do you not run into this market saturation issue, right? So really, it's simple. This is why HighLevel is all about being white label. So it's like, hey, you're not pushing our brand at all. You're pushing your brand. And the reason why is because the end customer, and whether you niche local or you niche dental or whatever, they ultimately need the same solutions, but they don't really care who they get them from, right? I think that if you're in this space, a lot of the players' names, but I bet you money that the average dentist has no clue who Infusionsoft is or HubSpot or any of these people, because on average, they don't have exposure to these things. We do, right, as industry players, but they don't. What they know is digital marketing is really important. Digital marketing technology and software is very important. There are some things I need to do. I've gone to the conferences, gone to the dental conference, and they've said posting on social media is really important. I know that, but I don't know exactly how to do it. And that's where, as an agency, you are that bridge, right? But I think bringing the technology in addition to the services, super important.
Well, and it makes you so much stickier too, especially if you own the tech, because I've done it to where I've sold HubSpot, been fired as the vendor when they took it in-house, but they kept HubSpot.
Yep.
And if I owned HubSpot, proverbially speaking, then I would continue to monetize that client.
Precisely. And that's exactly my vision for HighLevel. It's how do we make it so that the agency continues to stay in there, even if they lose on the services, which I would respectfully say is just an inevitability at some 100%. Point. Right. Even if it's just temporary, even if it's just like seasonal pause or something, I don't care. It's going to happen. But the software piece, that is an unceasing, never ending. Like once you've got your, all the social media posting, all the leads, the CRM, the two-way text conversations, the website, all that stuff buried in a piece of software, there's just no way they can go anywhere because you now own their business and their front door. So you're going to continue to get that revenue stream every single day.
Dude, we lose more customers to success than to failure because we make Google Ads such an important part of their business that they bring it in-house, which is, it's like, it's kind of a good problem to have, but it's also like, you work.
It's kind of depressing as well, right? Yeah, absolutely. And in fact, that's, that is an interesting point, right? So like, you could sort of think about the negative side of the house, but even on the positive side, the agency wins. You do too good of a job and you put yourself out of a job because you've now highlighted how drastically important it is. And all of a sudden the budget opens up for a full-time person and bam, you just unseated yourself. So all of these things, on the low end, it sucks. On the high end, it's also terrible. So what's that solution? I think that solution is to sell something that they can't replicate in-house at any cost. And that's really the software solution, the technology solution. And the good news here is there are other industries that have been doing this for a long time. I really like the managed service provider or IT industry. These folks have been doing this for a very long time and have proven that it's a very solid, sticky model. Because at no point does the dentist say, you know what, I really want to get into the software business, or I really want to learn how to configure and run software. That's just not going to serve them very well. So they don't do it. And as a result, they're happy to pay you for it pretty much forever.
Yeah. What features from HighLevel are you most excited about right now?
Definitely social media posting. And so, and actually, can I share my screen here?
Yeah, let's do it.
Awesome. Let's do it. So let's just go through a quick, so social media posting is pretty boring. That's actually what's great about it. So like, I'm super excited because it's super boring. And here's what I think. Every single business needs to post on social media. We know this, right? And so as a result, how do they do that? Well, they need a social media posting tool, right? So, hey, check it out. We at HighLevel have such a tool, right? We have all the same stuff that every agency has always seen before, except the big difference here is, and think about what happens today. So a couple big problems, right? So today you roll in as an agency, you may find they already have a product. Uh-oh, no revenue for you and more complexity. Do you know this product? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. And, but either way, you're gonna have to figure it out, learn it, all that stuff. Okay, maybe they don't have a product. Cool, that's great. Now what? Well, you've got to recommend one. So great, you've recommended it. Best case scenario, you're gonna get like a spiff on the affiliate side. Well, that sucks. Why not make it your own, be able to charge full freight for it? And now they've got a tool. And as a team, or even as a person, even if you're a one-man band, as it were, if you have to log in and out of 6 different accounts for the same social media tool, it's still a pain in the neck, right? Yeah. So now with HighLevel, you can come in, you can seamlessly move between all your sub accounts, all that stuff. And you have the same social media tools that, everybody else you would otherwise recommend to somebody. I'm a terrible social media poster, by the way, so feel free not to pay any attention to my posting. But the reality is it's no different than you would do any place else, except now you have control. Oh yeah, check it out. I don't know let's pick Chase. He looks good. Bam. And so, now you can come in and you can do all the same stuff you would do anywhere else. You can schedule it later, post it now, you can schedule it, all this stuff. Nothing here, if you really are in social media posting land today, nothing here blows your mind, except now, instead of selling this as HighLevel, right, you can sell it as, app.golawhustle.com, right? You can sell it as your own product, or, and then, you can have your own white label mobile app in the App Store. You can really provide a full-on marketable solution to your clients, and they can pay you. And whether you do the posting for them or they do the posting, or a combination often of the two, right? We're now in a place where you get the revenue. And even
You
if they
can push-
quit the services, you sell them the software.
Images, video, multimedia.
You have Instagram, Facebook, Facebook groups, Google My Business, which I think is incredibly important and often overlooked. In fact, I don't know. I don't know if this is still true, but in recent months, I went out and tried to look at some of the larger, publicly traded, by the way, social media posting platforms, and most of them that still don't do Google My Business. I was shocked.
That is shocking.
And if you're dealing with local, I mean, for gosh sakes, heck, even if you're not, I think it's a good idea.
Well, and that further speaks to the fact that local is just so neglected. There's such a massive opportunity there because everybody's trying to go upstream, scalable, larger,
Well, and that exactly. I mean, if you look at the big social media posting players, I mean, I know Hootsuite recently, I think like tripled their prices, and it's because they're getting a lot of pressure from their investors to make more money, and so they're trying to go after bigger and bigger and bigger companies. And I think it leaves this local market just isolated. And by the way, the local businesses now are so hot on social technology and generally digital marketing technology, but they just don't know how to use it. They're desperately looking for agencies to help them. And so it's really a great time as an agency to come in and provide these types of solutions.
Yeah, that's huge. Shaun, this might be further down the road, but HighLevel's famous for snapshots, doing things in bulk.
Oh no, that's this quarter. I know where you're going with this, my friend.
Okay, so I've got 50 Montessori schools or more that are on HighLevel. If I wanted to push the same social posts into all schools.
Yes. So this quarter, so my vision actually on this is pretty, okay. So I like to use, I don't know these people. But I like their website so much because they really get across this idea of, hey, look, check it out, 180 massage, salon posts or whatever, right? This idea of being able to pre-create and pre-can these posts and push them out automatically, that comes out this quarter. And what's going to be awesome about our system is we can combine it. These people are just some kind of like, I don't know, they just do this as a service. But for us, it's going to be a scenario where we're going to allow you to take this and combine it with what we call custom values. And the idea is, if you're going over here to a post and you've pre-created one, you can, instead of saying like, you could say, hi from, and then instead of like having to type in, like Bob's Towing or whatever, we have custom variables. So you could actually say something like, location.name. And so now you have these templates where you could even, you can even use all kinds of things like slogans and whatever. And point is, you can create these templatized posts, like you said, push them out and auto schedule them all as a big collection so that all your Montessori schools are getting this really cool looking social feed, looking great, having slightly customized posts, really delivering a lot of value, but being able to do it at very high margin as an agency.
That's brilliant. Dude, you punch out more features faster than any other SaaS product I've ever seen in my entire life. It's insane.
Well, we're going to have blogging's the other thing that's up for later this quarter. We'll have to come back once we've got that live. But, again, yet another way for us to hook into a small business and give them value, but also, get another way for them to want to buy our platform, right? And pay
Do you
us
have to be on HighLevel's website in order to use HighLevel's blog?
No, it'll be portable. So you'll be able to put it anywhere you want. Because, again, what do we know? We know that you got to meet the client where they stand. So if you roll in and they say, well, we want, we'll hire you for blogging. We'd love to add blogging, but we have a WordPress website or Wix website or whatever website. You're like, oh yeah, no problem. Here you go. We'll just drop this little piece of code on there and bam, you'll have a blog and it's all SEO friendly and all that wonderful stuff. Point is that it won't limit you. You don't have to use our builders to do it.
Dude, that is genius. And I imagine the blog will have the bulk upload feature too at some point.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. And again, if what I think of it as an agency, if we could get our clients in here doing one thing, even if it's just to look at the things we do for them, right, every single day, I think that you're going to keep that client for life. And, success here looks pretty amazing. A lot of people are charging easily $300 a month per client and really just providing a digital platform. Now and then the services just come in on top of that. And the beautiful thing is, if you ever lose a service, you never lose the software. And I think something that sometimes people overlook is, right now you get fired on service, you're fired, like out of the circle of trust. The only way to get you back is for me to call and admit a mistake, which is very hard for people to do. Versus if I still pay you for the software and I've let you go for services, I can come back 3 months later when I've realized that was dumb and just say, hey, could you add that back? I'm upgrading my plan or something. It's a lot easier for me to do that. And so you keep that connection with the customer and it keeps the door open for those future sales.
Shaun, you're amazing, dude. I love HighLevel. I love what you do. I love how active you are in the group. If you're watching this video and you haven't checked out HighLevel, it's only for agencies. So you have to be an agency, but go check it out. Make sure you use our affiliate link in the description.
Yes,
You're not going to pay any more money, but at least throw me a bone because I shoot all these videos for free. And we're going to have Shaun back, I hope.
Heck yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I mean, our goal is to continue to drop every feature an agency can imagine. If we don't have it already, we'll have it shortly. And, because we really think agencies are that key success. If you are a small business and you're successful, you almost always have an agency behind you, whether you like to admit it or not.
Yeah, isn't that the truth? That's awesome, man. Well, I appreciate you, Shaun. And if you're watching this, I shoot a video every day. So I'm going to see you tomorrow. Shaun, last words to you, sir.
Thanks for being here. And it's exciting to see all this happen and come together.
Awesome. Go check out HighLevel. Peace. Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to solate.com/apply. And we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.